Hey, future homeowners. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Is homeownership always the best choice? Buckle up because we've got some surprising insights coming your way. Picture this, a beautiful house with a white picket fence, a lush green garden, and a happy family inside. That's the American dream, right? Well, not so fast. Turns out buying a home might not always be the best move, even if you have the money. Let's explore why. According to a recent survey, a whopping 74% of adults believe that owning a home is a key part of the American dream. It's ranked even higher than other important milestones like retiring, having a good career, or getting a college degree. But here's the catch. There are some pretty convincing reasons why renting might be a smarter choice. Reason number one, uncertainty about the long term. Imagine this. You just got a fantastic job offer in a new city. Exciting, right? But what if things change down the line? Maybe you end up not liking the city or you lose that job. Renting gives you the flexibility to adapt and explore new opportunities without being tied down. Plus, moving to a new place can be quite the adventure. Renting allows you to test the waters and make sure you love the location before committing to it. Trust me, you don't want to end up buying a house and realizing you don't like the neighborhood. That can be a major bummer. Reason number two, say goodbye to the nuisance factor. When you rent, you're free from the headaches of home repairs, scheduling appointments with landscapers, or fixing the dishwasher when it decides to go on strike. Those responsibilities fall on the landlord's shoulders. It's like having your own superhero who takes care of all the maintenance while you relax and enjoy your space. Oh, and let's not forget about the perks. Depending on where you rent, you might have access to amazing amenities like a gym, a pool, or even a doorman. It's like living in a mini resort. So if you're not a fan of mowing the lawn or handling those pesky repairs, renting might be your golden ticket to a stress-free lifestyle. Reason number three, the financial benefits of homeownership might not be as impressive as they seem. You know that famous tax deduction for mortgage interest? Well, it's not as valuable as it used to be. Recent changes in tax laws have reduced its benefits, making it less enticing. And let's not forget the hidden costs. Owning a home means shelling out for utilities, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and even those home improvements you've been eyeing on Pinterest. It all adds up, my friends. In fact, the average homeowner paid over $15,000 a year on top of their mortgage in 2022. Yikes, but wait, there's more. Did you know that historically the stock market has outperformed residential real estate as an investment? Yep, you heard that right. While home ownership can build wealth, there's no guarantee it will give you the same returns as other investments like stocks. It's also worth noting that housing returns can vary depending on factors like when you buy, where you buy, and how long you hold on to the property. Not all areas see the same level of growth. So before jumping into home ownership, it's essential to consider these factors and make an informed decision. And there you have it, folks. Owning a home might not always be the best choice, despite what we've been taught. Renting offers flexibility, fewer responsibilities, and the potential for financial freedom. So before you rush to buy that dream house, take a step back and consider all the options. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and tricks. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep chasing those dreams.